In this video we see container widget in Flutter. Why we need a container widget in Flutter? If we have a widget that needs some background styling, maybe a color, shape, or size constraints, we may try to wrap it in a container widget. This widget helps us to compose, decorate, and position its child widgets. If we wrap our widgets in a container, then without using any parameters, we would not notice any difference in its appearance. But if we add any properties such as color, margin, padding, etc. in a container, we can style our widgets on the screen according to our needs. Properties of container widget. Container, key. Alignment, geometry, alignment. Agentsets, geometry, padding. Color, double width, double height. Decoration, decoration, foreground decoration. Box constraints, Widget child. Clip behavior, clip.none. 1. Child. This property is used to store the child widget of the container. Suppose we have taken a text widget as its child widget that can be shown in this example. 2. Color. This property is used to set the background color of the text. It also changes the background color of the entire container. See this example. 3. Height and width. This property is used to set the container's height and width according to our needs. By default, the container always takes the space based on its child widget. See this code. Margin. This property is used to surround the empty space around the container. We can observe this by seeing white space around the container. Suppose we have used the agentsets.all, 25, that set the equal margin in all 4 directions as shown in this example. Adding, this property is used to set the distance between the border of the container, all 4 directions, and its child widget. We can observe this by seeing the space between the container and the child widget. Here, we have used an agentsets.all, 35, that set the space between text and all 4 container directions. Alignment. This property is used to set the position of the child within the container. Flutter allows the user to align its element in various ways such as center, bottom center, top left, center right, left right, and many more. In the below example, we are going to align its child into the bottom right position. Decoration. This property allows the developer to add decoration on the widget. It decorates or paint the widget behind the child. If we want to decorate or paint in front of a child, we need to use the foreground decoration parameter. The below image explains the difference between them, where the foreground decoration covers the child and decoration paint behind the child. The decoration property supported many parameters, such as color, gradient, background image, border, shadow, etc. It is to make sure that we can either use the color property in a container or decoration, but not in both. See the below code where we have added a border and shadow property to decorate the box.